Hey guys, this is a 2013 Ford Escape. Had quite a few problems with this thing, so I want to do a video on something I found that is, it's probably on a lot of them. When you activate the rear wiper and the washer fluid is supposed to come out, the washer fluid actually shoots out of the passenger side A-pillar and runs all over the dash. Let me show you what I'm talking about. So you turn on the wiper and you're going to run fluid to the back window, and I've got the A-pillar off here. Well, washer fluid would shoot right out here and hit the driver. So I took the A-pillar off. It's going to look like this when it's in there. Just use I'll show you what I used. This is like just a standard like trim tool, and you kind of got to pry. It'd be like right here, here, and here, and that pries these clips loose so you can take the A-pillar off. Except for this clip right here, as you can see, it's got barbs on it. So once you get it kind of out, you got to wedge 2 screwdrivers in here and kind of bend these down to get it out of this hole right here. So getting this A-pillar off is kind of a pain in the butt, but once you get it off, I was inspecting this hose because this is the hose that runs the washer fluid from the front all the way to the back window. And I bent it a little bit, and as you can see, there's a hole in it. Now this is a factory defect because this car's never been in an accident at all. It's totally legit. It's got 30,000 miles on it. Nothing's ever happened to it. It's never hit a deer, never ran over a raccoon, nothing. So it's been like this from the factory. So here's how I fixed it. I cut out this section here. It's got the hole in it, and I put that splice in there. Now what that splice is, it's this part right here. It's a vacuum connector. It's part number 47309. Bought that at AutoZone, and I can tell you that you can see here on the floor I bought a whole kit of these connectors, all different sizes, and none of them fit this hose. So I had to go back and I got this. It's kind of a universal. It starts out real small and then gets real big. You can actually use it from like 1/8 inch diameter up to like almost 1/2 inch diameter hose. But that is the only one that fit. Like I said, that was bought at AutoZone. I couldn't find that at the other parts stores. So once I cut that section out, what I did is I put clear silicone on all these barbs right here and right here, because once I push it together, I want it to seal up. The silicone acts as an adhesive and as a sealant. So I figure it's kind of the best of both worlds. So now that that's back together, I'm going to leave that for probably at least a day. Leave this A-pillar off, and then tomorrow morning before I go to work or something, I'm going to try to run the fluid to the back window and make sure it doesn't leak. If it doesn't leak, then I'll just put it back together and everything's all good. But just kind of want to do this video because there's probably lots of them out there that are like this. Usually when something like that happens, it's not just one. So hopefully if you have this problem, then I kind of saved you a little bit of trouble. I went back and forth to the parts store about 3-4 times. So try and find that little splice. And that's the only one that works. So like I said, the silicone was just kind of an added thing that, it can't hurt it. It can only help it. So hopefully this video helped you guys out if you have this problem.